Bussing here. We are joining you from my studio right outside of Boston, and today I have my lovely model Amanda with me. Today on Amanda, I will be creating an iridescent multitonal melt with a dark contour underneath, utilizing Colorance and Elumen clay. I've prepared Amanda's canvas using Silklift Strong, and today I'm going to be using two different Colorance formulas to showcase the illuminated technologies, as well as a really fun Elumen clay formula. Here we have our finished results. As you can see, the iridescent illuminated Colorance shades really bounce and pop off of that deeper Elumen clay formula.